Hi guys, what's going on? Good? Alright, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Today I'm gonna make some curry chicken. Yes, that's what I'll be doing in my kitchen today. I have here some chicken and I also have some chicken back. Right, you saw them pretty? Now I'll clean them up. Them pretty. I couldn't resist when I see it over at supermarket. So I have to buy some curry because I love curry chicken back bad. Anything curry anyways for me. Really like curry a lot. So anyway guys, these are my ingredients I'm gonna use. All these are my ingredients. I have some fresh thyme here, garlic, some green seasoning that I made myself. I will post it one of these days. I have some chicken seasoning here. And of course, you know me, my Maggi all-purpose, black pepper, and of course I have some Creole, onions, bell peppers, carrot. You know, I'll put these in at the end because this green season already have honey and thyme and all of these things, but I'll just cook these down with the meat at the end of my cooking. And I also have some garlic here. Okay, I won't be needing any salt, at least for now. If I need any as I cook, then I will add it to it, because you know you can always add, but you can't take out the salt. Okay, so let me clean these up and I'll be right back. So these are the excess fat that you take off. Okay, you don't need these. You don't need them, guys. Trust me, you don't need it. Okay, you just clean out the inside like so. These are the things. All right. You know this is a fowl. You know, back part of a fowl. Okay, the chicken. So just clean it off. Some people eat it too. You know. Just clean up inside this little red thing here, and you take off the excess skin, because this is chicken back. It brings a lot of oil, you know, so you just take out the excess fat like so. Alright guys, I finished cleaning up my chicken back. You know it needs more cleaning than the chicken itself, because it has a lot of fat and extra skin and all of them thing on it. You know, you have to clean it out properly. So my chicken didn't need any much cleaning up. Okay, so I'm just going to rinse it one more time with some vinegar. You know, just to clean out inside of it. You don't want when you're heating it inside of the back. You know what I'm talking about? Those are who you know about chicken back, right? You don't want them little red something there. Okay. My green seasoning, guys. Just gonna use 2 spoonfuls of it. Makes your food taste so good. Oh, it's not a lot. Please don't think, oh, it's a lot, it's a lot. Some black pepper, guys. Just use some chicken season, my Maggi all-purpose now. Use 2 spoons of it as well. My Creole. Okay. Got some curry here, guys. Just gonna fill up this bottle. I have more. I'm gonna also burn some in the oil as well. And turmeric. I also add turmeric to mine too. Okay, turmeric and curry. curry, guys, because I don't want my fingers turning yellow. Okay guys, how pretty it's looking already. I will burn a little in the oil when I'm cooking it. And this season, like I said, I didn't put them in this because it's already in my green seasoning. Okay, it's already in this. I blend all these together and more, so I don't need it right now. I can use it when it's near cooking down. Okay. So I'm just going to let this marinate for a while because I'm in no rush to cook it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. See you back soon, guys. So guys, I'm back. I'm gonna start cooking my curry chicken. I'm burning some turmeric and curry powder. Okay. Need some ginger. I'm also adding some garlic. And that's at the color that I want it to be. So I'm going to put my meat in now. No chicken back is in this, so it's gonna spring some oil, right? So I don't put a lot of oil in my pot for this. Okay, so we'll see you back soon. Here it is, cooking away. Also have some water and prepare the kettle going because I want, if I need any water to go on the meat, I don't want to put the cold water, I want to put boiling water. Okay. So we turn this down and let it cook on a low to medium heat. Okay. Get up nicely, guys. At this point you can do a little tasting of it because the curry is cooked, right? You know you have to cook curry properly. My mother always tell me it hurts your belly if you don't cook it properly. Yep. Cooking. Guys, I put this on not a high heat, guys. I want it to just cook nicely through, right? So I don't need any high heat for this, any high flame. Okay? It's almost there. So guys, I'm going to add all my vegetables in now. Onion, carrot, everything, thyme, bell peppers. Guys, if you don't like spice, you don't really have to use as much spice as I did. But for me, curry is a spicy food, so I have to have spice in it. You don't have to if you don't like spice and if you can't tolerate it, because a lot of people can't. I can. Okay? Maybe you could go with some black pepper, not Scotch bonnet, okay? Guys, you should smell in here. It smells so good. It is smelling mad good. A little bit of black pepper here. And that's it. All my flavors are right and everything is spicy and nice and everything. Just need to cook down, okay? I'm just gonna leave this so it can gravy down nicely. So gravy coming nicely. Yes, man. It's nice over to white dumpling now. Yeah, man, a piece of yellow yam. Ooh, white rice. I don't like curry and rice and peas for some reason. I don't know why. So I let this cook. Next time when you see me, it will be all done. There it is, guys. All done. Some rice and some salad. Curry chicken. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Be safe, be good.